flakes.
Chili flakes.
Pepper powder. Oregano.
Oregano. Okay.
These are lamb chops.
Kuzu.
What?
Kuzu.
Kuzu. Okay. Lamb. Lamb. Kuzu in English is lamb. The fish is cleaned properly
Kekik bunda
and
güzel
then
olur
cut
mu?
into big pieces.
Kekik. Okay diyor.
Little, yeah.
Az, çok.
No, little.
Çok az.
That more. Pepper powder is more.
Karabiber de olsun.
Yeah, salt. Then
Salt, tuz.
tuz. Salt as per taste. Don't you think it's quite interesting? She doesn't know English, I don't know Turkish, but still we are able to manage to understand each other. This is known as communication. Come on. Putting olive oil as per requirement. These are the prerequisite cooking required to prepare my dish today. Today I am preparing a dish which is a combination of chicken tikka, lamb kebab, fish fry, and I want to see this combination, how it comes out to be. This is the first time I have thought of combining all the three ingredients like lamb, chicken and fish. I am sure that you have not heard about such dishes where you can combine all the three of them. This is the final outcome. You can see these are lamb kebabs, chicken tikka and fish. Tasted it and it is really mouth-watering. You must definitely try.